Our next topic is electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance of a conductor is related to its ability to store the electric charge. If a conductor can store large amount of charge, then its capacitance is larger. And if a conductor can store small amount of charge, then its electrical capacitance is smaller. Electrical capacitance of a conductor is related to its ability to store the electric charge. When a conductor is given some charge, then its electric potential increase. If charge Q given to a conductor raises its potential by V, then it is found that Q is directly proportional to V, or we can write Q is equal to CV, where C is the constant of proportionality called electrical capacitance of the conductor. From this equation we may write C is equal to Q upon V. V उधर जाएगा तो Q के नीचे चला जाएगा, तो therefore we can write C is equal to Q upon V. From equation 1 we define capacity of a conductor is ratio of charge given to the conductor to rise in its potential. From equation 1, if V is equal to 1, then C is equal to Q. V की जगह 1 रख देंगे तो C बराबर है Q हो जाएगा. Therefore, electrical capacity of a conductor is numerically equal to. Therefore, electrical capacity of a conductor is numerically equal to charge required to raise its potential by unity. Electrical capacity of a conductor is numerically equal to charge required to raise its potential by unity. Now, from this equation, we see that C is equal to Q upon V. Capacity of a conductor is ratio of charge given to the conductor to rise in its potential. It is to be noted that capacitance of a conductor neither depends upon Q nor depend upon V, but it depends on size and shape of conductor. Further, capacity of a conductor do not depend upon nature of material. It do not depend upon nature of material of conductor. Nature of material का मतलब है कि material चाहे सिल्वर का हो, चाहे एल्यूमिनियम का हो, चाहे कॉपर का हो, उसके ऊपर कैपेसिटेंस डिपेंड नहीं करती. Capacitance of a conductor depends upon the nature of material of medium in which it is placed. Also, the SI unit of capacitance is farad. To define 1 farad, we use equation 1 as C is equal to Q upon V. If Q is equal to 1 coulomb and V is equal to 1 volt, then C will be 1 farad. 1 farad is the capacitance of a conductor whose potential rises by 1 volt if a charge of 1 coulomb is given to it. A conductor is said to have a capacity of 1 farad if a charge of 1 coulomb raises its potential by 1 volt. Smaller units of capacitances are 1 microfarad, which is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 farad, 1 nanofarad, which is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 farad, 1 picofarad, which is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 12 farad. Now, dimensions of capacitance. As Q is equal to CV or C is equal to Q upon V. Now potential is work done per unit charge to bring it from infinity to that point. Therefore, this will be Q square upon W. Now unit of charge is, because current is Q upon T, therefore Q is equal to IT. Unit of current is ampere, time is T, dimension of current is ampere. This will be 80, and dimensional formula of work done is M1 L2 T minus 2. On solving this become M minus 1 L minus 2 t की power 4 a की power 2. This is the dimensional formula of capacitance.